To cite a scholarly journal article from an online database, we will begin with the author information. We will provide the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then give the author's first name. Finally, we will end the author portion of the citation with a period. If the article you are citing has two authors, its citation will look like this. Here, after the first author, we include a comma, the word and then present the second author's name. Please note that the second author's name is given as first name and then last name. If we have an article with three or more authors, its citation will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. Once we have provided all of our author information, we will then proceed to the article title. Before we give the article title, we will include opening quotation marks. We will then give the article title. Generally, we capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title. We then include a period and closing quotes. After providing the article title, we will give the journal title. The journal title is capitalized normally and is given in italics. We conclude the journal title section with a comma. The journal title is followed by the volume and issue number. You will include the lowercase letters VOL followed by a period, and then give the volume number. Next, you will include the lowercase letters NO followed by a period, and give the issue number. Commas separate the volume and issue number and end this section. The next portions of the citation are the year of publication and the page numbers of the article. After providing the year of publication and a comma, we will abbreviate page numbers with PP period and give the all-inclusive page numbers where the article can be found. We end this section with a period. The next piece of information is the database where the article was found. We give the database name in italics, capitalized normally, and provide a comma after giving the database name. Next, we provide the DOI, or Digital Object Identifier number, for the article. The DOI is a permanent link to the article. If no DOI is given, we should provide a URL to the article, as is shown here. We then end this section with a period. Finally, we provide our access date. Type the word accessed, then provide the day, month, and year that you accessed the article. If the month is more than 4 letters long, abbreviate it. We then end the entire citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information we are providing from scholarly journal articles from a database.